In today's video, I want to show you guys how you can easily fix the restart problem here on your Nokia TV. So what we can do first to fix this problem is that we try to unplug the TV. So what we can do is that we unplug the TV, wait like 60 seconds, and then you can plug it in again. So this is to fully reset your TV, and sometimes this helps to fully reset the TV. If this doesn't help, then we can try to unplug everything we have plugged in the TV, except the power cables. So like every HDMI device, every USB device, and something else. So sometimes this is also really helpful. Okay, and if this also doesn't work, then we try to go here into the home menu and then into the settings. And here in the settings, go on all settings now. So and here we go all the way down on system here, and here we go all the way down, and here we try to reset the TV. So sometimes this is really helpful to fix this restart problem. So and if this also doesn't help, then go here on system again, and here go on about, then on system update, and here try to do a system update. So look for a system update, and if there is an update available, then make sure that you try to download this. Okay, and what we also can do to fix this problem is that we go like here back on the settings, on the full settings, and then here we have like storage or apps. So what I can do here also is go on system again, and here we should have storage. So click on this, and here we can go on free up storage, and here make sure that you clear your cache. So this is also really important. Go here, clear cache, and then click on OK. Okay, yeah. And this is what we can do here to fix the restart problem. If I could help you with the video, then please leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.